What's up, you guys? It's Drea here with another video. Let's just jump right into it. Today we're making this strappy cocktail dress that I designed a few years back. I already have my pattern, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that out of my main fabric, starting with the top. I'm also gonna go ahead and put in my darts and also trace out my back piece. As I cut out my pieces, I'm making sure to also notch my darts so that I can sew them down later. Now that we have the bodice done, we can start on the bottom. It is a bit longer for a train effect, so I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth it out to make sure that there's no folds or creases while I am tracing and cutting that out. Don't forget to have a little dance break now. After cutting those out, I'm gonna start tracing my inner liner fabric. I used a old cotton t-shirt actually as my liner for my bodice. The fabric that I'm using for my main fabric is actually a faux suede, so it's a little bit itchy on the skin. Now that we have both the outside and inside of the bodice, I'm just gonna go ahead and sew those darts down. Then sew the front and back sides of each piece together. Really, girl? You just had to? Child, anyway, so. After pinning them both together, I'm just going to sew them both down separately at a 1/2 inch each. Also at a 1/2 inch, I'm going to sew down the edges of the inner liner fabric. I'm also going to go ahead and iron down my main fabric edges, add in my elastic cord for the strap. I'm also going to cut out these 2 straps at each end to be able to seamlessly lace the dress, as you'll see in the end. On each side where this is placed, I have already sewn it down. That way I sew down the lacing straps, the elastic cord for the shoulder strap, and outer and inner fabric lining. Sewn down at 1/2 inch. After securely sewing all that down, you want to go ahead and measure each side and divide them by however many will fit. So I have 4 on my back side and 2 on my front side. And it should look a little like this. Moving back to the bottom of the dress, we're just gonna go ahead and sew the back dart. Before connecting the front and back piece, I'm just really quick going to iron down that dart. Now I'm going to clip together the left side so that I can sew that all the way down. Now for the right side, I'm just gonna measure down 11 inches and mark that. That'll be the stopping point for me to sew so that I can have my side slit. I'm also going to sew down my bottom hem about 1/2 inch. Once that's done, it should look clean like this. Now we're going to sew the hemline for the side slit. Taking the strap from earlier, I'm just gonna go ahead and fold over and pre-sew it. Now I'm measuring each side with it and cutting according to size, as well as folding over and hemming the top. I am also going to make sure I measure out my notches on each side and sew them down as well, just like we did on the top. Now getting to the final step, it should look like this on both sides, and we're gonna start connecting the pieces, but wah wah, I did it wrong. When you're working with a double-sided fabric, always make sure that you're doing the patterns on the right sides. Most of this is going to get fixed off camera, but I will be showing you how I do connect both of the pieces. And that's it. So let's see the final product. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button down below if you like this video, and for more content like it, subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notifications bell. I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye. Check out my Instagram for more photos like this.